Good day, everyone. If you're facing Windows Update errors on Windows 11 or Windows 10, here's a simple step-by-step method to fix them. Step 1. Restart the Windows Update service. Right-click the Start button and select Run or press Windows plus R. Type services.msc and click OK. In the Services window, press W and find Windows Update. Right-click it and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic or Automatic Delayed Start. Click Apply, then click Start to run the service. This ensures the Windows Update service is active. Step 2. Clear software. C. Windows Software Distribution. Open the folder, press Ctrl+A to select everything, then right-click and delete all files. These are temporary update files, and clearing them can fix update issues. Step 3. Run System File Checker, SFC. Click the search icon and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Type the following command and press Enter. SFC/scanna. This will scan and repair any corrupted system files. Step 4. Restart and check for updates. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer. Then go to Settings Windows Update and click Check for Updates. After following these steps, most Windows Update errors should be resolved.